Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to set up WordPress with Hostinger. First, log in to your Hostinger web hosting account. Now, from this left sidebar, click on Websites, then Websites list. Now, click on this dashboard button next to the domain name you want to install WordPress on. This is your domain name or website dashboard. You can install WordPress from this auto installer short link, but it is better to go to website from this left side menu and click on auto installer. Now below WordPress, click on this select button. A new window pops up. First, fill in your website or your WordPress website title. For example, Ben's tutorial. In the second field, fill in your WordPress administrator email, your username, and also the administrator password. Your password should have at least one number, one lowercase, used between 8 to 50 characters, one symbol, one uppercase letter, and only Latin letters. And after that, click on this next button. For the WordPress application version, it is better to go with the recommended one. Here you can select your WordPress website language. There are many languages. I will go with English. For the PHP version, it is better to keep it by default. And here you can select between turning off automatic applications or applications update only to minor version. Always it is better to go with update only to minor version. Now click on this install button and wait a moment. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Mastering Hostinger Shared Hosting for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, website setup and management, and also domain management, email management, performance optimization, and account and billing management, and also account and security management. If you want to get access to all of this for free, plus my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com. Link in the description. Now let's continue this tutorial. Now that the WordPress setup is completed, click on this little icon to access your new WordPress website. This is the home page, and this is the first article. Now to access your WordPress dashboard, just add /wp-admin and hit enter. Now fill in your WordPress username and password here and hit login. And this is your new WordPress website dashboard. You can add your first blog article from here. For to change your WordPress website design, you can change it from the themes page. You can to add advanced functionalities to your WordPress website. You can add them from this plugin page. And this is how to set up WordPress in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comment below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.